Do it again, Braylon. Do it again. Show me how your tractor moves. Why do you stop? Yeah, that's how the tractor moves. How come just your chicken gets a ride? Nobody else gets a ride, just the chicken? Can this sheep get a ride? And a horse? Can they get a ride too? No, the horse does not get a ride. You don't want the horsey to get a ride? Oh, you're gonna take the chicken out. He already went for a ride. No more chicken. Silly chicken. Show how it moves. I'll push the button. It got stuck.